Alright guys, we're done, finally. So here's the back stairs. Brand new carpet trim. Replaced every piece of skirting. Added trim. Just have to come back and add the vents. There was a tree right there, I'll be replacing that. Did all this skirting up front. Patio stairs look amazing now. Brand new carpet trim. Actually didn't end up replacing the railing, I just added that lattice. Doors looks good now. So unfortunately there's still some stuff in here. It's being cleaned, but the move-in is today, so it's the only time I could do my video. Here's this front bedroom, and I called it the back bedroom, but it's actually the front bedroom. Remember all that drywall work that was done here. Access panels are going to be put right there. I just had to do that to connect the shower faucets and stuff. So there's this bedroom. There used to be a closet right here. Actually, I ended up tearing that down, which I love it because it makes this house look so much bigger. Here's this bathroom. If you guys remember, it was all gutted out. I put a brand new tub, shower wall, trimmed it off, added that toilet, brand new cabinet, sink, mirror. I did linoleum, new vent, transition. Oh yeah, this room, hardwood, baseboard, not to mention. Got the hardwood in the living room. Did the baseboard. I tore down these panels that were here, added drywalled up there with trimming, added that light fixture, new blinds throughout the entire home. It's a front door. I actually took the baseboard and wrapped it around the door. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think about that. It's the second time I did it in the home. There's that patch that I did. You can still see that, but there's that cabinet that I removed. Makes it look so much bigger. Actually ended up painting the cabinets and the oven hood because I didn't like the way they looked. The countertops have been done. Baseboard. I did the tile throughout the kitchen. Blinds, added that ceiling fan, that light fixture. Go down the laundry, continued the tile. Actually ended up painting those two. I added a brand new washer hookup right there, painted the back door. Textured the entire home, painted. Got doors done, got hardwood done in this back bedroom and baseboard. Painted all walls, textured all walls, ceilings are good. Trimming, blinds. This big walk-in closet. Added baseboard, added that shelving in there, and then the back bathroom. Brand new medicine cabinet. Brand new sink. Brand new toilet. Tub has been cleaned. It looks amazing now. Just a little walk-in closet. Drywalled all that, added the shelving in there. And yeah guys, that's the after video. If you guys like what you see, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do more before and after videos. If you like it, thumbs up. And if you guys want to see me actually do this type of work, hardwood, if you want to learn how to do hardwood, baseboard, countertops, blinds, installing light fixtures, ceiling fans, anything, just let me know and I'll be more than happy. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this house.